comedy night, first night, and we have special guest David Alfie Ward.
And one night I was on a night bus, 3 a.m. I was coming back from the club. I'm on this bus, right, at the back. And there's this white girl, American girl, blonde, at the front of the bus. And I sat at the back. I don't want to give her stress, you know. I know what I look like on a night bus to Victoria, okay? I get it. So I sat at the back, right? Now, I pressed the button for my stop in the hood, okay? Now, she got off at the same stop. Okay, she starts walking. I'm walking 10 meters behind her, right? I feel stressed. I don't want to make her stressed out. So I cross the street, okay? I cross the street. Now, she yells at me. She's like, "I'm not scared of you." So I stabbed her.
And exactly. Okay, I understand you. I want to tell you something.
Listen, you put 10 women with short blonde hair in a room and 9 of them are lesbians, right? It's just, it's true. It's true. It's true. With a woman? Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Yeah, no. You know, I tell you why, because you get frog's legs, a blowjob, and snails. Nobody wants that combination. We want lasagna, blowjob, bolognese, baby! Woo! Bolognese! Buying anybody for €5. So if anyone fancies it, you know, not you, you get later, you go home, you cook the bolognese, the lasagna, whatever.
It is day after. David's here. We're at the Acropolis, and show was successful. We had a good night. His voice was pretty bad, but we got through it. And yeah, it was a good weekend. We have one more night. We're gonna see the Joker and see how bad it is.